Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with WeTransfer, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the WeTransfer website. Once the page loads, you will see a simple interface. Click on the large plus or add your files button. A file explorer window will open, allowing you to select files from your device. Choose the files you want to transfer. You can upload multiple files at once if needed. After selecting your files, you will see them listed on the WeTransfer page. Next, enter the email address of the recipient in the email to field. Make sure you type the email address correctly. In the Your Email field, enter your own email address. This is important for notifications. You can also add a message in the message field if you want to provide context. Once you have filled in all required fields, click on the Transfer button. The files will start uploading to WeTransfer's servers. This might take some time, depending on your internet speed and the size of the files. Once the upload is complete, WeTransfer will send an email to your recipient. You will also receive a confirmation email once the transfer is successful. Your files will be available for download for a limited time, usually 7 days. That's how you easily transfer files using WeTransfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.